Chevrolet Corvette is known as one of the most famous American sports cars in the world. It is often called America's supercar because it offers very high performance at a price that is lower than many European supercars. The Corvette has a long history that started in the 1950s, and over the years it has changed a lot in power, design, and technology. Even today, the Corvette represents speed, strength, and modern engineering. In this video part, we will talk about what the Corvette is, its power, engine, and design, and why it is so special. The heart of the Chevrolet Corvette is its powerful engine. Most Corvette models use a V8 engine, which is famous for strong acceleration and a deep, loud sound. The base Corvette produces nearly 500 horsepower, which is more than enough to make the car extremely fast. When the driver presses the accelerator, the car responds instantly and pushes forward with great force. The Corvette can reach 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, which puts it in the same category as very expensive sports cars. This power is not only for straight roads but also helps the car feel confident during fast driving. One of the biggest changes in the latest Corvette generation is the engine position. Earlier Corvettes had the engine in the front, but the new Corvette uses a mid-engine layout. This means the engine is placed behind the driver but in front of the rear wheels. This change improves balance and handling because the weight is more evenly distributed. As a result, the car feels more stable at high speed and more controlled while turning. Chevrolet made this change to compete directly with modern supercars, and it has clearly improved the performance. The exterior design of the Corvette looks sharp, wide, and aggressive. Every line and shape on the car has a purpose. The wide body helps with grip and stability, while the air vents allow the engine and brakes to stay cool. The low front and sculpted sides reduce air resistance and improve speed. From almost every angle, the Corvette looks like a true super. Even people who do not know much about cars can easily tell that this vehicle is built for performance. Inside the Corvette, the design is focused on the driver. The seat position is low, making the driver feel connected to the road. The steering wheel, buttons, and screens are placed in a way that makes driving easy and controlled. The interior materials feel strong and premium, especially in higher trims. Modern technology like digital displays and driver assistance systems help make the Corvette both fast and comfortable. Even though it is a sports car, it still offers enough comfort for longer drives. The Chevrolet Corvette is not just about looks or straight-line speed. It is designed to deliver a complete performance experience. From its powerful V8 engine to its modern mid-engine layout and aggressive design, everything works together to create a balanced sports car. In the next part, we will talk about how the Corvette feels on the road, how it handles corners, and whether it is suitable for daily driving. The Corvette also shows how American car engineering has improved over time. Chevrolet uses lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber to reduce weight and improve performance. Less weight helps the car accelerate faster and stop more quickly. The braking system is strong and reliable, which is important for a car with this much power. The tires are wide and designed to provide strong grip on dry roads, helping the driver feel more confident while driving fast. Another important part of the Corvette is its transmission. The modern Corvette uses a dual-clutch automatic transmission that shifts gears very quickly. This allows smooth driving in traffic and aggressive performance during fast driving. The gear changes feel instant, which helps the car stay in the best power range. This transmission also helps improve fuel efficiency compared to older systems. Drivers who enjoy both comfort and speed benefit from this setup. Chevrolet also paid attention to safety and control. The Corvette includes systems that help maintain stability during fast driving. These systems can reduce wheel spin and help the car stay on the correct path. For experienced drivers, some of these systems can be adjusted to allow more control. This makes the Corvette suitable for both new sports car drivers and experienced enthusiasts. Overall, the Corvette shows how power, design, and engineering come together in one vehicle. It keeps the strong identity of an American sports car while using modern technology to compete with the best performance cars in the world. This balance is one of the main reasons why the Corvette remains popular across generations. The Corvette continues to evolve with time, but its main goal stays the same: to deliver speed, control, and excitement in one powerful and well-designed sports car. It remains a symbol of performance. Driving the Chevrolet Corvette is a unique experience that feels exciting but also controlled. When you sit inside the car, the low driving position makes you feel close to the road. This helps the driver feel more confident, especially at higher speeds. The seats are supportive and keep the body stable during turns, but they are also comfortable enough for normal daily driving. Visibility is good for a sports car, which makes it easier to drive in the city as well as on the highway. When the Corvette is moving, the handling feels sharp and balanced. Because of the mid-engine layout, the weight of the car is spread more evenly, which improves cornering. The car stays stable when turning at high speed and does not feel heavy or difficult to control. The steering responds quickly to driver input, allowing precise movement. This makes the Corvette feel more like a European supercar than a traditional muscle car. Even drivers who are new to sports cars can feel comfortable after some time behind the wheel. The suspension system plays a big role in how the Corvette feels on different roads. On smooth highways, the ride feels calm and comfortable. On rough roads, the suspension absorbs bumps well for a performance car. When switched to sport mode, the car becomes firmer and more responsive, which is ideal for fast driving. This balance between comfort and performance makes the Corvette practical for everyday use while still being exciting on open roads. The sound of the Corvette is one of its strongest features. The V8 engine produces a deep and powerful sound that many car lovers enjoy. When accelerating, the sound adds emotion to the driving experience. It reminds the driver that this car is built for performance. At the same time, the cabin remains quiet enough during relaxed driving, which helps reduce fatigue on long trips. Despite being a high-performance car, the Corvette offers good practicality. It has storage space in both the front and rear, which is useful for carrying bags or small luggage. This makes it possible to use the Corvette for short trips or daily tasks. Fuel efficiency is reasonable for a car with this level of power, especially during normal driving. These features make the Corvette more usable than many other sports cars. When compared to expensive supercars, the Corvette offers strong value. It delivers similar speed, handling, and driving feel at a much lower price. This is one of the main reasons why it is respected worldwide. The Corvette proves that high performance does not always need an extremely high cost. It gives drivers the chance to enjoy supercar-level performance without giving up comfort or usability. The Chevrolet Corvette is a complete sports car that combines power, design, and driving confidence. It suits drivers who want excitement but also need a car that can be used regularly. Over the years, the Corvette has continued to improve while keeping its strong identity. It represents progress in American car design and engineering. This brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.